Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create with Crafty Kids. It's going to be great.
Hey guys, today we're making these adorable wooden hearts made from a craft kit. It's super affordable and perfect for Valentine's Day, so stick around to find out how to do this. I picked up this Mondo Llama craft kit from Target. It was only $5 and you get 3 hearts. On the back it shows you some examples of designs you can do, or you can create your own, which is what I'm doing today. The kit comes with its own paint and a couple paintbrushes along with 3 wooden hearts. I started by giving each of the 3 wooden hearts a white base coat using acrylic paint. This step helps the colors pop and gives you a smooth surface to work with. Once the paint was dry, I grabbed a ruler and a pencil to sketch out 3 different designs on each heart. So for the first heart, I created lines to make it look like a notepad. For the second heart, I used the pencil and the ruler and created a fun checkerboard pattern. And for the third heart, I kept it simple with some horizontal stripes. Once I was done drawing the designs on the hearts, then I used paints from the kit to bring the designs to life. So the first heart was my notepad heart, and I painted blue lines across, and then I added a red margin line on the side to give it that classic notebook look. For the checkerboard heart, I used pink paint to fill in the squares and create a bold checkerboard pattern. For the striped heart, I used all the colors from the kit besides white to paint the horizontal lines. This created a bright and cheerful striped pattern on the heart. Here's how the hearts turned out once the paint was dry. You can be done here or add a little bit more detail if you'd like. On the striped heart and checkerboard heart, I added small clothespins to hold notes or pictures. This little detail makes the hearts functional and cute. On the notepad heart, I used a pen to write a cute Valentine's Day note. And there you have it, 3 easy, adorable, and customizable wooden Valentine hearts. Whether you use them as decor, gifts, or little note or photo holders, they're a sweet way to celebrate Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for watching, and happy Valentine's Day!